Hello everyone. Students, from today I am going to start the revision time. Okay? And I will try to give you the revision, the quick revision and reminder of all the chapters what we have captured in the last few months. Okay? Because you are going to have uh, your midterm examinations. So this is very important. Then you must have a quick review of all the chapters what we have captured and covered in last few months. Okay, so and my revision time will help you to explore more things about the chapters, the stories and the poetries. Okay, and this will help you to cover the all long answer type questions and the questions based on the chapters. Okay, so today is the revision time of the book Vistas, and the chapter is The Enemy, written by Paul S. Buck. Okay, so we will take a quick overview of the plot. Okay, this overview means the complete look. This complete look of the enemy will help you greatly as quick reminder to the chapter in detail. It is about a Japanese surgeon whose name is Sadao. This chapter is about a Japanese surgeon whose name is Sadao, and he studies in America and marries a girl, Japanese girl, and the name of that girl was Hana. वर्ल्ड वॉर टू, इसको हम लोग वर्ल्ड वॉर टू नहीं कहते हैं, इसको वर्ल्ड वॉर द सेकेंड. इस तरह से जब भी टू लिखा हुआ रहता है इन द हिस्टोरिकल फिगर दैट विल बी कॉल्ड द सेकेंड, द थर्ड. सो वर्ल्ड वॉर द सेकेंड broke during that time. All the doctors were under the obligations to go to the Japanese army. However, Sadao stayed back with an old general, as the old general was ailing. He was in need of Sadao because the general had some problem in his ear, and Sadao was the perfect person who can treat him, because Sadao has developed mastery in his skills and he was able to make cure any kind of wound in a very few time. Okay, so this happened. Because of this, Sadao was in Japan. However, Sadao stayed back with an old general, as the old general was ailing. He was in need of Sadao. However, we learn that the story, that how story has taken a complete rotation. When an American Navy man finds his way in Sadao's life, an American prisoner, American Navy man, and the name of that prisoner was Tom. He just came into the life of Dr. Sadao. He was a soldier and he was wounded. Sadao treats him and Sadao helps him to be healthy. Sadao saves his life because he was a doctor. So he just did his duty. As the soldier was not well, Sadao offers him medical help. Sadao was not willing to help the enemy, but he does. American were the bitter enemy of Japanese. What the sequence happened in the World War II, you all know. America had bombed 2 atom bombs in the 2 cities of Japan, and that's why this was very difficult for Sadao to accept an American as the patient. Okay, but he went with his duty. वो अपनी ड्यूटी के साथ गया, and he helps him. He also knows the danger he has got himself into by helping the enemy, because if anyone in the army would know that Sadao had helped an American person, then the life of Sadao would be in the danger. Due to his Sadao conspires to kill the soldier in his sleep. But Sadao, who was a very generous person, decided to save him because the humanity and the brotherhood. So, the most important theme what we have seen in this story is humanity and brotherhood. Okay? And we should go with, when we have to choose then human and inhuman behavior, then we should choose human approach, human behavior. Okay? Next point, main character. So the most important character of this chapter is, oh my god. So the most important character of this chapter is Dr. Sadao Hoki. Dr. Sadao was indeed a patriotic Japanese as well as a dedicated surgeon. He is the protagonist of the story. He is the main hero of the story. हीरो को हम लोग प्रोटागोनिस्ट एंड विलन कैरेक्टर जो होता है उसको हम लोग एंटागोनिस्ट कहते हैं. He is the protagonist of the story, an American runaway prisoner in a badly wounded condition is washed ashore on Japanese Dr. Sadao's doorstep. The doctor is initially a little hesitant to save the prisoner's life when they discovers the letter's real identity. Okay? But being a dedicated surgeon, he decides to treat him. Even he was his enemy, but Dr. Sadao treats him. Okay? So, this is the character of Dr. Sadao. But being a dedicated surgeon, he decides to treat the enemy soldier. He is able to save the prisoner's life, but being a patriotic Japanese, he informs a senior. That means at one time, he plays the dedicated doctor's role, as well as he plays a true patriotic person. He informs the Japanese army general, but the general has some problem. उस general को problem था. He just forgets the promises and all the things. And indirectly, Sadao had developed a sympathy and a love for the American prisoner Tom. So he arranged a boat and helps him to escape safely, thus honoring both the values. He was a patriotic Japanese as well as a dedicated surgeon. That means he plays the both role. So the most important character of this story is Dr. Sadao Hoki, and the final character and the second character is Hana, wife of Dr. Sadao. But if the question will come from this chapter, then the character of Sadao is very important. I think this is enough to give you the quick revision of this chapter. Okay? And I will send you the PDF of this document also. This will help you to reconceptualize the chapters. Okay? In the next day, I will try to give you the more than one chapter. Okay? So this is enough for the today's class. Have a nice day. Enjoy the learning. Bye.